Hi, I'm Lee from Northamber, and today I'm going to be speaking with Vito from EIZO about getting the best from your monitor setup and how to get through the troubleshooting problems we've all had from working from home without the benefit of our IT support. Morning, Vito. Okay, one of the biggest problems I've been hearing is that people can view documents such as Word with little problems when they're using it on their laptop screen. However, when they transfer this to their EIZO monitor, the words seem to be tiny and hard to see. What's going on and how can we fix this?
Hey Lou, yes, this is a very common problem. We hear this a lot. So this is normally due to the fact that you've been sent a home or you purchased an Ultra HD monitor. So that's a very high resolution monitor, which is great. So you have more space. The common problem that you will get is that when you plug in your PC or laptop, the text might appear very small. And this is again due to the fact of just the graphical user interface not scaling appropriately to the resolution of the monitor. There is a very easy fix that you can find in Windows under Display in Settings to change this. So that's going to take no time. It's very important to notice though and to know that Mac does not allow for these changes as yet.
The other question is, are customers who've never suffered from migraines before, since they've been working from home, they're getting a lot more eye strain, tension, and headaches. Is there any reason for this?
Yes, this is pretty much a common problem nowadays. But, you name it. I guess obviously eye strain, migraines, back pain. It's obviously all to do with the fact that our office is a pretty great environment to mitigate. Our employees spend lots of money to mitigate these problems. So you have ergonomic seating, height adjustable desks, right? Controlled lighting conditions that obviously all these technologies are not available anymore because we're working from home, right? So we're working from our kitchen counters, we're working from spare room, right, with a small desk and a very uncomfortable chair. So obviously because of all these issues, if you want to say, people are suffering from different problems, right? So our monitors, we've already thought of that in a sense, and we already have features built into our monitors to alleviate some of these issues. For example, our monitors allow for a great height and height adjustment. You can pivot the monitor. You can do so many things, right? So like, tilt it, move it, and they just allow for the, really, really high degree of adjustment. So that's feature number one. A feature number two I can think about it is paper mode, for example, which is a mode that makes your monitor just less blue. So just less aggressive on your eyes, if you want to say that. And it's just a more natural way of reading, for example, documents for a long time. I, for example, use it when I'm, reading lots of documents or learning about something. I just like to flick to paper mode. Our monitors come with technologies like flicker free. All our flex kind of flicker free, which again, some people are susceptible to flickers on bad monitors. Actually, some monitors would still have that, and it's quite pronounced. Again, that can cause migraines actually, so we've discovered that and adjusted our monitors to make sure that there are no flickers visible at all. Or for example, if you're working with the window facing, your windows at the back of your back, and you have light reflecting on your monitor, we have obviously anti-glare built in all our monitors as well, which effectively will shield you from that light so that you don't have lots of movements with your head, which again can create back problems, right? Because you're trying to see your monitor from different angles because the light is reflecting directly on it. These are just few of the features I can think about, but yeah, it's worth checking our website for even more information.
And the third question is, some of our customers have two monitors in the office because they have multiple applications across the two screens. If they only have space at home for one of the monitors, how do they achieve these applications simultaneously?
This is a great point to raise, in fact, because I think it's just very common for companies to give 2 monitors to their employees nowadays. I mean, we use 2 monitor setup in our company. I'm sure you guys use it. So this could be obviously, I guess, an issue if you got used to having so much real estate with the 2 monitors, but now you only have one to use. So on our higher end EV FlexScan models, we've actually sort of built 2 features that can help with that. One feature is called the picture by picture, and another one is called picture in picture. So picture by picture effectively allows you to break down your monitor in either 2 halves or 4/4, depending on what you want to do. But 4/4 is the max you can do. And you can be running different applications in each area of your monitor, again, effectively simulating a 2 monitor or 4 monitor setup. But also, interestingly enough, you could be running 2 different machines on the same monitor. In fact, I've seen people running a Mac and a Windows on the same monitor, which is pretty great. So that's picture by picture. And picture in picture instead allows you to have a smaller window built on top of your existing desktop, almost like, for example, if you're doing lots of video conferencing and you want to have that application on your desktop but on the side, right? So you can choose how big or small you want this small window to be. You can have that. So that's again a feature that you can have on our FlexScan monitors. But if you have any questions about picture in picture or picture by picture, because I've only just mentioned very simply what they are, you can find more information on our website.
Thanks, Vito. If anybody has any questions around monitors that they would like answering, please get in contact with EIZO or myself at Northamber directly, and we can speak to you and help you get the solution sorted. Thank you.